Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Elay, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Once again, if you are new, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am here to give you all the tea on the tea. All right? So, this video is going to be about renovating your room. I do have a renovation tips video coming up, so that's part 2, so check that out when it does come out. But today we will be talking about how I did my renovation. And when I say it was a long renovation, all right? It took me about 2 months to get everything completely done and finished, and it was a lot of money, all right? It was not cheap. So, if you are interested in figuring out and seeing what I did, just keep on watching. Tips is in the next video, so check out the part 2 to this. But yeah, so like I said, this is going to be my room renovation that I did in July to like September of COVID. Pretty much this whole situation was an experience. It was a stressful but gratifying experience. So I'm going to be showing you a video of how I started this situation. Originally, my goal was just to rip out the carpet that was old and to change the blinds most likely, as well as get a new bed and bed frame. And then it turned into a bigger project. Because clearly I thought I had money. But anyways, I decided to get rid of everything. So I got rid of my old dresser. I got rid of old, like, those plastic container dressers as well, like the clear ones, the Sterilite. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. I got rid of all of those because they were breaking on me, and I was balling on an even smaller budget before. So I had got those Sterilite containers, and I actually stacked it on top of each other. So it was the Sterilite containers that can move with the wheels. I took one of them and didn't attach the wheels and just attached it on top. So that worked out for me, so that I was able to have 8 drawers, and I was able to separate, certain different types of toiletries, and I was just very organized that way. And then they started breaking apart because I had it for years. And moving around things during renovation, it messes with the integrity, right? So had to get rid of it, had to find a new dresser, chest of drawers, because the tall ones that are chest of drawers, right, guys? So I had to get rid of that, and I ended up putting up a new one, got an actual nightstand versus using those as a nightstand too. But just trying to elevate. Okay, so I wanted to elevate my room. I wanted to definitely change it up. So I have a carnival wall, which you would see. I have my picture wall along with my name. I also have a wall full with sneakers. So I'm going to insert a clip as well to show you what my sneaker wall looks like. Y'all, I have so many sneakers. I have so many shoes, and those are 36 boxes from the Container Store. And when I say I love the Container Store is amazing. It makes the aesthetic of the room as well. It just makes me feel, luxurious. But it is not cheap. So for 6 boxes, I believe I paid about $50 for the 6 boxes. And I bought 6 boxes. So that's 36, okay? It's not cheap, but it is so worth it, especially if you are a sneakerhead or you have heels. Just be mindful if you have heels. 5-inch heels may not fit. So you might have to go with the bigger box. So I got the standard size box that can fit, I believe, up to a size, I would say 10 in men, but don't quote me, okay? You can find that on the Container Store. It is their clear plastic shoe containers. They're amazing. And if you also sign up for the Container Store rewards, you can get 20% off. I should get paid for this. Besides the point, I just got a lot of shoes, y'all. And I got rid of shoes. Like, renovating, when you're actually gonna renovate a room or whatever, and you have to go through the tossing process, right? It's always great to do at least what you haven't used within the last year. There are things that I haven't used within the last year, but we're also still in the pandemic. We're in a whole panorama, y'all. So can't do that, right? But I was very like transparent with what I would actually wear and what I won't wear. So I got rid of a whole bunch of clothes that could fit and couldn't fit. And yeah, it was a lot. So I did that, and I pretty much got rid of shoes that I would never really use again. And, if you know me, and if you're living in the Caribbean household, whatever you can't use that can be salvaged to go back home is going in a barrel, okay? It's being packed in a barrel, okay? So, yes. So I got rid of a whole bunch of stuff, and then I started revamping, figuring out what I wanted to do. Looked on Pinterest, looked on YouTube, I looked on Instagram. I got feedback from friends and everything. So I just did as much as I could. So let's get into these videos. All right. So in these videos, you're pretty much going to be seeing me do a quick walkthrough. I am going to try to insert here what my room looked like beforehand, because I wish I took a real before photo and a real before video, but I realized after I gutted the room already that I was just like, wait, maybe I should have recorded the process. So what you're going to be seeing right now is the process from after the room has already been pretty much gutted. So you're going to see after me and my best friend ripped out the carpet, what it was looking like under it. It was looking crazy, y'all. Crazy. So you're going to see that, as well as you'll also see what it looks like right after the linoleum has been placed. That linoleum is actually from Lowe's. I don't really like it too much, but me not really knowing and not really having much guidance, I got a cheaper linoleum. I should have got the more durable one. So this one is a little cheap. So I would always say, if you are going to get linoleum that you can lay down, definitely look at the quality, speak to the people that work there, if they're actually willing to do their job. Let me not throw too much shade. But the person that was helping us wasn't really helping us. It was just me trying to figure everything out on my own. And they're just like, okay, are you finished now? So they didn't help me. I pretty much figured out what I wanted. And after it got laid down, the reason why I say that linoleum isn't that great is if you have something like a pair of heels or something, it can cause an indent, and it might also rip the linoleum depending on how the flooring is under. And in general, that linoleum is not that wearing resistant. Is not tear resistant. It definitely would tear. So what I did was, instead of just having the bare floor like I originally wanted, I did add in a carpet later on. Well, not really a carpet, a rug later on from Amazon, and that's been my quick barrier. I will probably take it out because summer is coming soon, and your hot feet on carpet rug, it ain't the best feeling, all right? So I will be getting rid of it. Well, not really getting rid of it. I will just be rolling it away temporarily until it get cold again. Or I might keep it. I don't really know yet. We're still figuring that out, okay? So you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Comments, feel free to comment in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are interested in these type of things. Also, check out the next renovation tips video. This was just on what I did, and what I learned is gonna be in the next video. So if you're interested in finding out more about renovation tips, please check out the next video. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, y'all.